Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to track your order on Zara. To track your order on Zara, first of all, open up the Zara application and log into your account. From the main home page, tap on the human icon at the bottom right corner. Now click on Purchases. If you have placed any orders, it will be listed on this page over here. You will see the delivery status, estimated delivery dates, and real-time tracking updates. If you don't have any orders made yet, you will see it blank like this. So that's how you easily check your orders on Zara. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.